Today, we bring the new product, the upgrade version for this Mate X. It's a Mate XS. It's this product. So you can see it's an amazing large screen, 8-inch immersive screen. So this 8-inch foldable full-view display, when we fold it, it's 6.6-inch. And the backside, 6.38-inch. And also we upgrade the chipset from Kirin 980 plus the Balloon 5000 modem to the latest Kirin 990 5G modem. And also we have leading 5G speed. You can see no matter downlink and uplink, our speed is much faster than the others. And this phone's camera system, we are using Leica super sensing quad camera, Leica camera. The main camera sensor is a 40 megapixel RRV sensor. It's a large pixel. It achieved really amazing low light photographic capability. And also we support 3x, 3 times optical zoom, and also support 30 times digital zoom. And together with the ultra wide, we achieved 40 times zooming range. And we also have the top camera on it for 3D depth sensing. The price for this is 2,499 euros. This is the Huawei MatePad Pro 5G. This is a 10.8-inch large screen, very high resolution, and a high PPI. Ultra slim and very light, only 460 grams. 7.2 millimeters. 4 speakers on it, left side 2 and the right side 2. Quad speaker to bring you immersive sound, amazing sound quality. Inside this is a very powerful Kirin 990 5G. It's bringing you super fast 5G and a super fast speed. 40-watt supercharging and a 27-watt wireless charging. And also it supports reverse charge. You can use to charge the other devices. The price starts from 799 euro. And here is a MatePad sleeve we bring for the protection of this pad, and M pencil, and a smart keyboard, and a 40 cover. Here is the price for that. This is a Huawei new MateBook X Pro. It's ultra slim and borderless view. You can see that. And also we upgrade the chipset to the latest, the 10th generation the Intel processor, from 1,499 euros to 1,999 euros. This is the Huawei MateBook D15 and also D14, 10th generation the Intel latest processor. It's a very powerful processor. We also bring you the latest AMD Ryzen 7 powerful processor. And we have a versatile connectivity. All the ports bring you more convenience. All the ports we support, you can see that. To pre-install the Microsoft Windows 10 and Office 365. The price starts from 649 euro. Very competitive price. And the MateBook D14, the price starts from 699 euros. Today I bring one of our Wi-Fi 6 plus wireless routers. This is this one. The Huawei Wi-Fi X3, the most powerful Wi-Fi 6 router in the world. We bring you the Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2. This also supports Wi-Fi 6 Plus to the consumer side. 5G CPE Pro 2, we bring you amazing super fast speed to your home, to your office. The app gallery from Huawei will bring you more choice. You know, today they have Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Now you have Huawei App Gallery to bring more choice for the consumers. So, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome every developer worldwide to join Huawei HMS ecosystem to build your apps, put your apps on the app gallery. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the product we bring you today. In Paris, March 26th, in Paris, we will launch the world's most powerful 5G flagship smartphone, Huawei P40 series. Let's make it possible together, 2020. Thank you.